cracker salad. Oh, I'm scared to taste it. I truly feel like Mikey at this point. Give it to Joya, she'll eat anything. So I stumbled upon this video on YouTube. Now, I have a thing for older black women cooking. Like I learned from the school of grandmas, and they were making something called Georgia cracker salad. So it sent me down an entire rabbit hole. Now, there's several different versions of it. And just by judging this, let's make this clear. There is definitely a difference between Southern food and soul food. And this recipe is very Southern. All right, so we're gonna start with 2 tomatoes. And I'm not gonna make that much because I don't think no one else in the house is gonna eat this. But let me not be judgmental. I haven't even tried it yet. Can't knock it until you try it. That's what I tell you about the vegan food. So I'm gonna be fair to the Southern food. So next we're gonna dice our tomatoes. Add some green onion tops. And I'm eyeballing all this, okay? And I don't think my ancestors got nothing to do with that. So I don't know if they're gonna help me with the measurements or not. All right, so we're gonna add our tomatoes and our green onion to a bowl. Now, one thing I didn't see anybody do is add seasoning to it, but that ain't gonna roll with me. So we're gonna add a little bit of salt and some black pepper. And the star of the show, saltine crackers. I'm gonna add about 20 crackers to this recipe. Maybe 23. And you know, this wouldn't be no Southern type of salad without some good old mayo. What is it with mayo? Please tell me. Southern recipes, why is it mayo in everything? Probably about half a cup. We'll add a little bit more. And let's get this a nice mix around. Let's add some more crackers, matter of fact, because it's looking a little bald head. Go ahead and add in some black salt. Now, if you don't know, black salt is what's going to give it an eggy taste. Whew, smell like this. So we're going to pour some of that out. Cracker salad looks so yum. Here we go. Wait a minute. Hold on. Okay. Definitely the black salt. You gotta have the egg flavor. That's what brings it together. Try this tomato cracker salad out. Made completely vegan, Southern, and I will say it's delicious.